Hello, welcome to Health Matters with Dr. Ng. This afternoon, I'm going to be enlightening you on the respiratory system. Remember, we are looking at the different systems of the body, some of the common illnesses or diseases that can affect these systems, what are the makeups of these systems, and everything. So remember to like this page, remember to subscribe, remember to share, and what have you. So let's keep it rolling. Respiratory system. This is the system of the body that is made up of network of organs and tissues. What do I mean? There are a group of organs and tissues that make up the system, and they help us to breathe. This is the system of the body that is responsible to make sure that there is oxygen getting into the system and the waste in form of carbon dioxide leaving the system. That is what the respiratory system does for us. They function to move oxygen around our body to ensure that every part of the body gets oxygen it needs to carry out our daily functions. And at the same time, it removes carbon dioxide, which is a waste gas, from body activities back to the lungs, and the lungs remove them. This system ensures proper functioning of these activities. Now let us look at the parts of the respiratory system. The respiratory system includes the nose, yes, the nose, the mouth. Some of us don't know that the mouth is part of the respiratory system. It's there. The mouth, the throat, which we call the pharynx. It includes the voice box, which we call the larynx. It includes the windpipe, which we call the trachea. The large airways, which we call the bronchi. The small airways, which we call the bronchioles. Bronchioles. Remember, the big ones are the bronchi, the small ones are the bronchioles, and then the lungs or the alveoli. Now, what are the functions of the respiratory system? What does it do for us? So, what are some of the things that when the respiratory system is affected, these functions are impaired in the body? They allow you to talk and smell. Yes, remember that the mouth is part of the respiratory system. It allows you to talk and to smell. That's the function of the respiratory system. It allows warm air to get into the body. The air that we get from the environment might be cool, but when it gets into it, because the body has a particular temperature at which it functions optimally. So the respiratory system warms the air that gets in and helps it be at that normal temperature that the body will use it and function. It delivers oxygen to the cells of the body, like I explained before. It ensures that every part of our body gets oxygen, and then it removes the waste gases in form of carbon dioxide out of the body. After the body is done using the oxygen, it now becomes carbon dioxide, and this respiratory system removes them. It protects our airways from harmful substances and irritants. What do I mean? Sometimes you see some foreign bodies get into your nose, and the respiratory system tries to ensure that these foreign bodies and irritants don't get down into the lungs. There is a network of structures that function to make sure that these things don't happen, because inside there, these foreign bodies will cause very big problem when they get in there. So your respiratory system ensures that this doesn't happen. What are some of the diseases that affect the respiratory system? Can you guess? Yes, pneumonia. Pneumonia is there. That's true. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, we call COPD, bronchiectasis, even asthma, cancers, and what have you. As time goes on, we are going to be talking about these diseases. How do we recognize them? What do we do when we recognize them? Because it's not enough to recognize them, but what to do when we recognize them is also important. Where do we go to? When do we go to where we are supposed to go to? These are the things that this channel will help us enlighten us about. Remember to share, subscribe, and like. Thank you. This is Dr. Ngozi saying bye.